is the Nigerian High Commission at Roman Ridge. The Nigerians in Ghana are protesting following what transpired yesterday at the Lekki Toll Gate in Lagos. The brutality that happened, the killings, they are mourning. As you can see, a lot of them in blacks behind me. A lot of them are protesting. They're asking for the head of Buhari, in that sense, asking him to resign. The police, the security, they are all present. We'll speak to them to know what exactly they want and how far they are going with this protest.
I think we are idiots because they disband SARS and 2 days later they create SWAT. And when we questioned them, they told us that those in SARS are not going to be part of SWAT. It's the same lies they've told us every time. And we are saying we don't want the lies anymore. We want them to engage us, hear us, and give us the change that we want.
So I'm not really happy because killing an innocent people, killing Nigeria, we are not happy. We need freedom. We want freedom. We want Buhari to step down.
Peaceful protesters for just exercising their constitutional right. They were killed in cold blood by Buhari's regime. And we are here protesting and asking the government that they should resign. All those in Buhari's government should resign. And we want justice for all those they killed in cold blood. We have been protesting for more than an hour plus. The High Commissioner, she has not even stepped out or even addressed us. I mean, this government don't even care about us.
We want Buhari, our president, to step down. He has done more than enough. How can we have a president and for more than a week they've been killing people and you sat down in your office, you are there, you're not ready to give any speech and you're not ready to even talk to the people.
We have started peacefully. This is going to go peacefully. Yes. There is not going to be any form of violence. Yes. However, there are rules of engagement. If you've noticed, we've been speaking with the police authority and they are faulting us because we have not done what we ought to have done to have given us the right to be here. They have laws that we must follow. If we say we are law-abiding, we must follow the law. I am more pained than anybody here is. But we must do it in accordance with the law. That is what I'm asking us. So let us do the right thing. Let us go and get a police permit. When we get the police permit, we can be here for as long as we can be.
The act says you write for 5 clear days. 5 days before you can go ahead with the demonstration. And so we are advising them to wait until then.
So until then they can protest?
They can write. After writing, they will have to wait and hear from police before they can go ahead with the demonstration.
Government is making concerted efforts to make sure they meet up to the 5 demands. You may laugh about it, but that is what is going on. The 5 demands cannot be made overnight. It takes a while. So what we are asking for on behalf of government is for an understanding and a period of lull in activities so they can address those issues. Can we just calm down a bit, because I don't think...
That is what we are getting.
I don't think I should be the one intimidated. You should just calm down.
I'm sorry if you feel that way, but I'm trying to tell you because you told us to wait and give the government an opportunity.
Exactly so.
And I'm telling you what we are seeing. That is making it difficult for us to trust this government.
Sometimes responses may be slow. Sometimes these casualties may happen. We are going through a crisis and I'm sure government is going to address it.